Hello everyone. I'm going to wash some all black clothing. I'm going to use some Roma Laundry detergent. So this is the one I told you that needs a little boost. So it either needs some oxy. I'm not putting oxy in there. I'm going to take this container and I'm going to put just a bit of the dish liquid detergent. So I'm going to use a bit of that. It's actually more than a bit. Yeah, that's good enough. And then I'm going to put a half of Roma. Let me get another container. So I'm going to take another one of these containers. I keep these because they are very, very handy. And, you know, it's for the ice cream. I put a little scoop in this Roma. So I'm going to take some out and put it in that container. Excuse my nails. I took all that polish off and my nails are a mess. That's one scoop. 2, 3, 4. So that's enough. So I'm going to go in there now, and I'll talk to you soon. So that Roma detergent and the dish detergent did a great job on my dark and black clothes. I don't even see as much lint on the clothes after it's done. So I will continue using it that way.